Alright, so I'm swapping out the CD player. And this is what it looks like back in behind there. That's your two wires there. And then your radio. To pull it out, you're going to have to push that up a little to slide it out. So when I'm sliding it back in, I'm going to have to kind of get it underneath that lip. And then I took out 8 7mm screws on the edge. Yeah, be careful. See how it's got, you got to pop those clips off of the plastic here. And then there's that tab there you want to like push down that's catching, so you got to like push that down to pop it out from underneath there. So yeah, you want to get those out. If you're replacing that, you can just kind of do it on the, try and scratch the old CD player, not the plastic, because you're replacing the CD player. Because yeah, this has on them lower 4 screws that you just got to unscrew and then just drop it down. So yeah, now I'm putting them back in here.